everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic of discussion is going to be a very interesting and relatable one, especially for my girls. Yes, it's about periods. Now that I'm in my 30s, I think I've had enough experience to talk about this and tell you guys how I've dealt with it all these years, and I'll also be sharing some period summer hacks to go along with it. So I discovered this a few years back and it's been an absolute game changer for me. It's a period tracker and I use the Kotex period calculator. It has helped me be so prepared for the month. I can stock up on sanitary napkins, tampons, etc. whatever you girls need for those days. And it has also helped me be prepared for the month in terms of work and shoots. I exactly know on what dates I should not be doing a hectic outdoor shoot or travel or workout. And it has also helped in tracking the length of my period, so I exactly know that it's been consistent or it's been fluctuating. And the second point is overcoming odor, and it's a big concern for my girls, especially in the summer. Now for this, please only wear good quality soft cotton underwear and avoid anything synthetic, because cotton is non-irritating, it's gentle, it's so much more breathable, and synthetic stuff is just going to irritate and aggravate your skin, and with the buildup of sweat it's just going to make it worse. Now the second thing is avoid wearing the same underwear, especially the sanitary napkins, for long hours. Please do not wear your sanitary napkins for more than 6 to 8 hours, especially in the summer. Another thing you guys can do is just dust a little bit of non-irritating fragrant powder just on your underwear, and it's going to just make you feel really refreshed and smelling good through the day. Okay, so girls, in case y'all are getting a rash very often in that area, just make sure that you keep that area really dry and clean, which means you will have to shower more often. Another thing you guys can do is pick up an over-the-counter product that you get. It just helps in controlling the itching, it absorbs excess sweat, and also treats fungal infection in that area. Now for the longest period of time, I was looking for a period protection that could cover all my needs and also be a healthy way for me to experience my periods. And finally, I found the perfect, healthy and comfortable period protection I was looking for such a long time. It's the Kotex Pro Health plus Sanitary pads. So guys, let me tell you why this pad right here is a magic pad. I have personally used it and I love it because it's anti-leakage, anti-wetness, anti-odor, anti-rash, anti-itch. So it basically is like choosing all your comfort and health just in one pad. So girls, go try the Kotex Pro Health plus Sanitary pads, and trust me when I'm saying this, you will not regret it. So I hate feeling bloated a few days before my periods. It makes me feel super lethargic and underconfident, especially when I still have to go and work out. And trust me girls, y'all will not feel like working out, but it's definitely one of the things you must do to reduce bloating a few days before your periods. Try light and effective workouts, but don't skip them at all. I also do not consume alcohol and salt because these two increase water retention, and I start consuming more water. I also take peppermint capsules or try abdominal massages. I also wear comfortable clothing and I sip on chamomile tea, which is a natural carminative, which means it can soothe all that gassiness and bloating that you experience during your menstruation. So brew yourself a hot cup of chamomile tea and relax. Now cramps lead to serious discomfort and pain, and I know a lot of women suffer from this. Avoid taking painkillers unless it's really necessary, and try putting a hot water bag on your stomach for relief. What I like doing is taking warm water showers and also trying light yoga poses to reduce the pain. A little tip that works for me, I use a little bit of essential oil and I massage that on my belly to reduce the pain, or I take a pillow and I keep it between my legs and I try sleeping on one side, and that really helps in controlling and releasing the pain. Now I know we all crave for ice cream and other sweets during our periods, but it's actually advised to not have too much sugar because sugar impacts your blood sugar levels negatively and actually drains you of your energy. Your blood sugar level anyways fluctuates a lot when you are having your menstruation, and it is also inflammatory, which can actually increase your cramping, which you definitely do not want. So a good alternative to this is having dark chocolate. So girls, these are some of the period hacks that have worked really well for me over the years. Do try them out and let me know in the comments if this will work for you as well. That's it for today. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.